Welcome to JCBOSE University eLibrary. The tutorial covers a basic overview on how you can access the different collections in the eLibrary platform. Visit jcboseust.refread.com. Make sure you don't use www in the URL. jcboseust.refread.com is good enough. Before we dive into the platform, here are a few reasons why you need to log in. When you are accessing content from outside the campus, the login is must. To save content into reading list for future reference, or to set up TOC alerts, or in case you want to place item requests for some content that you couldn't find on the platform, you need to log in. In general also, we recommend users to log in because logged in activity helps us understand your reading behaviors and thus helps us serve you better. In case you do not have your account details to log in, please do send us your full name, your enrollment number, your department, your email address, and your mobile number to library@jcboseust.ac.in. We will send you your credentials within 24 hours. Now let's just look at the platform. To access these collections, you need to log in. So click on the login button. You can log in using the enrollment number or the email address. Students have both the option. I'm going to log in using the library@jcboseust.in email address. I'll enter the password. Click on the login button. And once I'm logged in, I can access the entire collection, browse collection by discipline, by format. There are some topic collections. Let's just look at one of the publishers. So I click on EBSCO ebooks. I have the full listing of EBSCO ebook titles subscribed by the library. I click on the read button. The eLibrary does an automatic authentication on the publisher platform to give me full text access. I click on the PDF button, and as you can see, I can now read the PDF online. Let's just do that once again for another publisher, this time for journals. Let's just try Taylor & Francis. So I click on Taylor & Francis, I get the full listing of Taylor & Francis journals. I click on the read button. Again, the platform does an automatic authentication. As you can see, Taylor & Francis recognizes me as a JCBOSEUST user. I'll just click on one of the volumes, the issue, and the articles published in this issue are displayed. I can click on one of the articles, and yes, I can read the full text of the article online, or I can download the PDF version, pretty much like you do it in the campus. You have full access to the content from anywhere across the globe. McGraw-Hill ebooks is slightly different. So once you get the listing of all the McGraw-Hill ebooks and you click on the read button, the authentication is done and you can download the file, but the file opens only in a special reader called iPublish Central Reader. So we recommend you to download this reader, install it on your PC or laptop. There's also a mobile version available. So you can download the files and open those ebooks into that reader. Refread has also curated content from more than 200 different platforms to bring you access of more than 5,93,000 publications. These include theses and dissertations, video lectures, ebooks, open access journals published by some of the top publishers globally. I'll just perform a filter on ebooks. So I get the ebook list, I click on any of these ebooks I want to read, and I have the full text access. Every publication curated by Refread is full text accessible. On the eLibrary, there are some topic collections covering some of the most trending topics and faculty notes curated by the faculty members of JCBOSEUST. So I click on one of the topic collections, I click on one of the topics, and I have the eResources related to that topic displayed. I can read the PDF or view the video lecture or download the Word file as uploaded by the faculty members. There are some other engaging collections of expert talks. So these are expert talks curated from platforms like TED, from Big Think, from CEC UGC to help you stay current and updated with the latest developments. You can view these videos. There's also a collection of popular literature on the platform in Hindi, English, Urdu, and Punjabi language. These are generally audio ebooks or PDF files that you can download or play from anywhere. You can read popular novels like Godan, Hassan Manto on the platform. There is a section called News on the platform, which gives you top headlines from some of the most popular newspapers and technology magazines. You can also set up news alerts. So if I do, let's say, cyberbullying, and I confirm, the eLibrary from tomorrow onwards will start sending me news articles related to cyberbullying straight to my email inbox. The platform has a pretty comprehensive search engine. So let's say I do a search on nanotechnology. It gets me all the publications related to nanotechnology in front of me. So it could be an ebook, it could be thesis, video lecture, journal. So whatever is related to nanotechnology available on the platform, I can just do a keyword search to find. I've done a filter on ebooks. I click on any of these results and I can read the PDF version. So just like I did a filter on media, I can also do a search within filter. So let's say I add a keyword for regeneration. So within this search result set, the platform will further filter down and I get the matching result. If I want to see the latest research articles related to nanotechnology, I just need to click on the articles tab. I'll just do get more to get some more results. And as you can see, the platform fetches latest research articles from different publishers subscribed by the library. I'll just do a filter on UPW. Click on the read button and I have the full text access of the research article. Yeah. So that ways the platform saves me a lot of time and effort in going to these different publisher platforms to look for research articles separately. I can save these research articles for future reference into my reading list. I can save it in different folders. So let's say I create a folder called demo. I click on the save button and this research article is saved in the reading list. Let's just go ahead and save a few publications also. So let's say I save this ebook into the same folder. I can also save the search query and avoid repeating the search query again and again. So whatever I save is available in the reading list on the click of my name. All the saved items are available permanently and I can export the citations of these saved documents into different formats. I can send the links of these documents to my peers. The platform also has some exciting features like SocioLib, but more on these features and how you can optimize the search query on the platform in coming tutorials. Please note that your IP will get blocked if you make more than 4 unsuccessful attempts to log in. Never share your account details with somebody who's not a part of the university. The library is very sensitive to copyrights and intellectual property rights. You can read as many as 20 resources when you are not in the campus. This limit can be increased by the library seeing the quantum of usage, or in case you write to us. For feedback, for suggestions, for any queries, please do write to us at library@jcboseust.ac.in or at support@refread.com. You can also reach us through WhatsApp at the given number. We'll come back to you with more tutorials on how you can take full benefit of the platform. Till then, goodbye, happy reading.